What's up, YouTube? So today, I'm under the hood of my Lexus, and as y'all can see, man, these terminals, they done seen better days, and it done got to the point to where every time I come out, needing to jump. Y'all can see how loose this shit one is, guys, and I done tighten it up just as tight as I could without stripping it, and still be needing to jump. So man, today, what I went ahead and did was, I went ahead and went to O'Reilly's, and I got a couple of terminals, and I went with the zinc ones, y'all. But I got a couple of terminals, guys. So that's what today's video gonna be. Me changing these battery terminals out in this Lexus RX 350. So y'all stay tuned for that. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, I appreciate it if you drop down, leave your boy a like, comment, and subscribe to this wolf stop, so y'all don't miss this comment. Y'all don't miss this y'all turn those post notifications on. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Let me get started, guys. As y'all can see, I just disconnected the negative, and man, y'all can see how bad this thing was corroded, guys. I might have to splice it from the back to put up in the new one, but I'll take y'all along for the ride as well when I do that. But I unhooked this positive one as well. But for right now, I just have to get this here nut pretty much unloose. It's up here real tight. So I'm gonna get this here nut, I'm gonna loosen this bolt, guys, so I can put this this new one in there. So let me grab my 10mm, and I'll cut y'all back on. All right, guys, man, so after playing with this battery and playing with that top bolt, man, guys, look, I ain't want to strip this bolt. So man, I just decided to bring it down here to my local place, man, and let these people deal with it. Because I'm not about to sit up here and strip this boat out, man, over something so simple, you guys. So that's what I'm doing, man. I'm down here at my little, what is this? Tahoe's. We at Tahoe. And man, we're gonna get it situated. And I feel bad, guys, because I had to pull up for something so simple. It make your boy feel less than a man, but it's all good, you know. Sometimes you just got to know when to throw the towel in, guys. I don't care if it's simple things and to big things. You just got to know when to throw the towel in, guys. And
he could have done it. He could have done it.
What you say, baby?
He could have done it himself. You gonna pay them people his train.
I could have did it, you know, but my whole thing was I didn't want to strip the little boat, guys.
So he don't never want to take his own wife advice.
But yeah, guys, I threw the towel in, man. So I came down here, and that's what I'm doing. That's what my morning consists of. Because came outside this morning and needed another jump. So that's what my morning consists of, man. Your boy, the wolf stop, is at his local place, man, just to get one little bitty boat taken off. So today's lesson, guys, you gotta know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run, man. And that's what your boy did. But anyway, guys, y'all see her in the background, looking real Tahoe-ish out here today, man. We looking real big boy of the parking lot. And no, we not here for repairs. The Tahoe is here for support. The Tahoe is here for moral support, guys. Only. And just like that, YouTube, she back and running. You know, like I tell you guys, man, y'all gotta know when to fold. You gotta know when to walk away, and you gotta know when to run. So that's what today's video consists of, you guys. You know, when y'all doing these projects, and this one little bitty boat, man, hey, you gotta bring that thing down here and let the pros do it. And look at that, guys, just like that. Man, my people got me right, and we back on the road. You know what I'm saying? We official now. We in there. Look at the old one. Look at the new one. Look at the old one. That boat right there. This boat. One boat.
Now, can we get a discount bonus money?
Discount. This is my peoples, man. Y'all bring y'all rides down here. Y'all know where we at. We on McCart and Automation, man. Y'all come on down here. Y'all got them little problems, y'all pull up. They gonna get y'all right.
The best in the text.
They get me right every time, but we about to get y'all a quick little cool stuff. Little cold start action going on here. What we got? You don't want to light me up.
Making some money, huh?
Jeez! Y'all guys see that, man? Quick little cold start, guys. Like I told y'all, the Tahoe was here for moral support, guys. But we back on the road. We back outside. But yeah, guys, like I said, man, it just was that one boat, you know, and I didn't want to strip it. Your boy didn't want to strip it out. So, some might say this was a fail, but man, I'm up and running, guys, so I think that's successful, you know. So, man, y'all watch your lead and watch your boy follow. But yeah, got her right quick, guys. And like I tell y'all, man, y'all in the forward area, man, y'all better come pull up the toes and quit playing, man. For the free. People hook me up, bro. Watch her ride out and watch me follow. Loud pipes, big rims. That's my life. But yeah, guys, like I say, man, if you're new to this here channel, just watching the videos, I appreciate it if you drop down, leave your boy a like, hit that thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, man. And look at us, guys. Back on the road, just like that. But yep, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing out. Man, I just had to make this in the video because that one little bitty nut was a headache, guys. So, there you go. Man, y'all run into problems and you can't handle it, just send it down the road. Send it down the road, guys. But anyway, man, I appreciate everybody who watching these videos, guys. Man, y'all keep doing what y'all doing. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Until the next time, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing out. Y'all remember positive live spray, positive vibes, folks. So until the next video, we'll see y'all again.